Bienvenido. Hola, hola. Bienvenido.
Gracias. What's up, everybody from Mexico City? It's just starting to rain. It just happened right now as I'm doing the intro, but I'm gonna get a hair wash. The place here is called MC Beauty Factory Hair Studio. I have two wonderful beauticians. I'm gonna wash my hair and style it.
Yes.
Disculpe, ¿cómo te llamas?
Yo soy Mari.
Mary y
Adriana, hola.
Adriana. Mucho gusto. Mi
Mucho
nombre
gusto.
es mi nombre es Jason.
Hola, Jason.
Don Jason. Okay.
Vamos a lavar tu cabello.
Ah, gracias. Está bien.
Ok.
Gracias.
Nada. Le voy a poner champú. Do you like it?
I like it very much. It's so relaxing. ¿De dónde eres?
Yo soy de un estado que se llama Tlaxcala.
Tlaxcala. ¿De dónde eres?
De aquí, de la Ciudad de México.
Oh, okay.
¿Está bien el agua?
They're all from Mexico. Viva Mexico.
¡Viva México! ¿Sientes bien el agua?
Está bien. Mucho shampoo.
It's
Gracias.
very clean.
I want to be very clean. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give a thumbs up. The girls are very excited to make a video and they're going to be watching your comments. So tell them hello. And if you really want, I can ask them for their Instagrams. I don't know if they have. You have Instagram?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. We'll put it in the description for you.
Okay, thank you. ¿Está bien el agua?
Sí, está bien.
Y ahorita me ayudas a darle shampoo. Aquí le voy a cortar. Ahí ya. Listo.
Listo.
Pasa de este lado. Ok.
Gracias.
Algo como hace que... Ajá. Ajá, tú júntalo hasta acá. Ajá. Trata con el aire de la secadora borrar la molina. You look very well.
I definitely feel more awake now. This feels good. Gracias. You look very well too.
Thank you.
Bonita.
Gracias.
And bonita.
Gracias. Perfecto. Si quieres abrazar, para que le pegues esa carita. You like it?
That's looking slick. I like that. Hazme un hombre mexicano guapo, por favor.
Guapo. Muy bien, maestra.
You just gotta keep Jason handsome. Keep Jason making videos. It's not easy, but we try.
Look.
It's nice, looking slick. I like that. Totally cool.
Breathe.
Nice. I'm ready for the town. Ready to go out in Mexico City. Oh, good job, you both.
Thank
Well
you.
done.
You're welcome.
So that's just a fun video, you know, and just washing hair, and it just shows you how awesome this city is. And I want to thank both of you for awesome service.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Cuando guste.
Oh, thank you both so much. Muchas gracias.
Es un placer.
Es un placer, de nada. Gracias a ti.
This is our Instagram.
Okay. Well, here, this just scan here for Instagram, right?
Exacto.
Okay, I'll put your Instagram in the video description for you all. It's Beauty Factory by MC, right?
MC Beauty Factory.
Okay, MC _ Beauty Factory on Instagram.
Exacto.
Cool. The card's right here. All right, cool. And that's in Roma Norte. which is it's a pretty cool area here in Mexico City. If you don't know,
Yeah.
that's the fun area to hang out in. All the hipsters are coming here and getting their hair washed. How much is it for the hair wash?
Hair wash, 100 pesos, 150, más o menos.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. Hair wash is 100, 150. Depends on how they feel. You have a lot of hair, it'll cost more money because it takes more time to wash and to dry. All right, cool.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye.
Gracias. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, because that was awesome. Thank you to both of them, and thank you for watching. Want to wish you peace, love, health, and happiness. Remember the love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.